crafting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to tell you about a super fun community event starting September 1st here on Tiny Worlds of Wonder and over on Diamonds and Washi. Now, if you've been around the diamond painting community a while, you might know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Drills and Chills 2021. I'm so excited to be back hosting Drills and Chills this year. I have huge, mad respect for Kay Diamond Paints for taking that over for me last year. She did such a tremendous job. Thank you, Kay. We all appreciate the work you did on the event last year. Also, huge kudos to Robyn, my original co-host for Drills and Chills. Shout out, Robyn. I'm so excited that this event continues to move forward, and I'm thrilled to be sharing it with all of you this year. Now, if you have no idea what Drills and Chills is a fun community crafting event centered around Halloween and the autumn season. This year we want to include diamond painters, paint by number enthusiasts, all of you cross stitchers out there, and all of you coloring lovers as well. As always, the challenge is going to be to complete a Halloween or autumn themed project between September 1st, 2021 and Halloween Day, October 31st. 2021. Now, of course, the first step in participating in Drills and Chills is actually to decide on your project. Maybe it's something you have in your stash already that has a Halloween or autumn theme, or maybe you're going to order something. If you're planning to order something, make sure you check the description below because we have some amazing sponsors who may have some sales or discount codes going on to help you out. Or these are companies who are donating giveaways for Drills and Chills, and we always want to be sure to support those companies that support us. So check the description below. Anything you have in your stash, whether it's a diamond painting, cross-stitch project, paint by number project, or coloring page, will qualify as long as it fits the basic theme of Halloween or autumn themed. So think something like traditional Halloween imagery, pumpkins, skeletons, monsters, zombies, vampires, autumn animals like foxes or owls, fall leaves, autumn landscapes, anything like that. Maybe you have a project that centers around magic or witchcraft. Yes, Harry Potter counts too. That sounds like a great project for Drills and Chills. Anything that features a dark and ominous scene will qualify, of course. And then icons or imagery from absolutely any culture around the world honoring the dead, like sugar skulls, for example. Those are all fabulous projects for Drills and Chills. So here's what you're going to do when you have your project chosen and you're ready to begin. On or after September 1st, post a photograph of your unstarted project, either on Instagram with hashtag Drills and Chills 2021, or in our newly created Drills and Chills 2021 Facebook group. This is a group that Katie is going to be moderating along with some other trusted friends. So post your unstarted project on social media with hashtag Drills and Chills 2021 anytime from September 1st onward. We all want to celebrate each other's projects, so during the event, use the hashtag to post your updates. We all want to see how your project is going. Now, here's the part that's a little different than in past years. For our weekly giveaways, all you have to do is listen for directions inside our Drills and Chills videos. These videos will be alternating week to week between my channel here at Tiny Worlds of Wonder and Diamonds and Washi. Listen for the directions in how to participate in those giveaways, and you will be entered if you follow those directions. If you want to enter for the grand prize, what you need to do is finish your project by Halloween Day, October 31st, 2021, and then submit a photo of your finished project through the event's Google form, which will be linked when the event starts under every Drills and Chills video. So again, for the weekly giveaways, just watch our Drills and Chills videos and listen for the directions you hear in the videos. For the grand prize, you have to sign up on that Google form with your finished project. And again, the cutoff is going to be midnight on October 31st, Pacific Standard Time. Now the diamond painting, paint by number, cross stitch, or adult coloring page that you select can be any size or difficulty. It can come from any vendor as long as it fits the theme of the event. Of course, we encourage you to select legally licensed images, patterns, and kits because that's a huge focus of Katie's channel and of mine. We don't have time to monitor all of that, of course, or to police all of that, but of course we encourage you to select licensed images and licensed projects for Drills and Chills. Some commonly asked questions you might have might be, can I use my project from another event on this one too? Well, I'm glad you asked because yes, you can. As long as your project is a new start on or after September 1st and it fits the theme of both events, feel free to join us for Drills and Chills 2021. Of course, you can finish more than one project during Drills and Chills. However, each person may enter just one time for the grand prize drawing, so select your favorite project to enter on that Google form for the grand prize. The grand prize drawing for Drills and Chills will happen sometime during the week after Halloween when everyone has had a chance to submit their finished projects by midnight on Halloween night, Pacific Standard Time. As I said, I hope you'll check out our sponsors and vendors who have committed to support the event thus far. Huge thanks to all of you wonderful, wonderful businesses for your support of our community. If you have a question that I haven't covered, I guarantee someone else has it too. So please leave your question below. I'll also make sure that I have some slides available on Instagram so that you can peruse those and refer back to them for the rules of the event. I'll make sure I have my Instagram account linked in the description too, so you can find all of those. I'm so excited to be hosting this event with the marvelous, wonderful Katie at Diamonds and Washi. Thanks so much, Katie, for agreeing to co-host. This is a big event and a big commitment, so huge thanks to you. I'm so excited for the response that we've had to Drills and Chills. If you've already selected your project, please leave me a comment because I would love to hear what you're planning, and I'm so excited to include some crafters of other disciplines this year as well. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. As always, spread some mischief wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.